This is a time of celebration for none other than the Redacted Online Hackathon. And
this is a time to celebrate our developers and everything that they did, and the moment where we get to give back to all of you. So we are very, very honestly super happy to be here.
Exactly. And let's just give a little recap of what this online hackathon was for if you weren't part of it or haven't been following the socials and all that kind of stuff. It was a 2-month-long hackathon that started online. 2 different verticals, chain abstraction and AI. We had multiple sponsors, lots of agent teachings, and then we took it to socials. We had over 8 AMAs with multiple projects and sponsors, and then we also had multiple workshops with DevHub, hour-long, throw the code up, deep dive into it, right? And we had a lot of support and a lot of things like that.
And we actually got amazing results out of it. Yeah. So before going into the winners, let's first say hello to Jared from Horizon, who's going to be talking about what is happening after the hackathon, and Ben from KeepOm.
And while you guys are, hold on, real quick. One thing that I want to say right now, let's just do real quick stats of this, because I think that'll maybe sell, like really bring it home. There was over 1,683 hackers on this, 684 if you can like smudge the time. It was like right there, right? And then we had 239 submissions, 20 judges, and 2 tracks. So it's been a really cool thing. And now Jared, as one of the judges and everything, here you go, man. Go away.
Thank you, folks. All right, I appreciate that. Thank you for the energy. We got a lot of energy for devs. As you just heard, this was an incredible hackathon, right? We had developers tinkering, exploring, experimenting over the past 2 months. It was actually incredibly hard to be a judge because there were so many great ideas. And while we're going to announce the winners here shortly, what we want to make accessible for everyone, particularly our developers, is that next step. We announced and launched yesterday our protocol rewards for builders in the ecosystem. This is a new rewards program that's facilitated by Horizon that specifically takes into account your on-chain and your off-chain activity. You install with a very simple NPM package an analytics tracker where we reward you based off the impact you create. So expect to hear more about that from us, but that's going to be open to all builders in the hackathon to earn up to 10K a month for their project. So really, really excited about that. Thank you. Yes. Yes to rewards for our builders. But I want to hand it off to one of our other judges, in Ben. Please feel free.
Hey, everyone. I'm so stoked with all of the submissions that we had this year. I mean, I've been in the ecosystem for almost 4 years now. I've judged dozens of hackathons, and this was by far the most fun hackathon I've ever judged. And as Jared was saying, it was really, really hard. You know, the amount of projects, it was insane. The quality of the submissions this year were unlike anything I've seen. I'm super proud of all of the teams, all of the parts of the tech stack that were used. It was insane. I'm really happy. So I think a round of applause for everyone involved. And now, the moment that everyone's been waiting for. I'm going to pass the microphone over to Guillermo to announce the winners of the 2024 Redacted Hackathon.
Thank you so much. So let me start by saying that we had 2 main tracks, but also a lot of bounties from the community. We're not going to be announcing here the bounties from the community, but they're going to be available online, I think that 1 hour from now. So don't worry, they are there. We're just not going to be talking about them right now. What we are going to be talking right now is about the winners. Let's start with the honorable mentions that are not 1, not 2, but 7 teams that are getting 5K each one. So if any of the teams are here while I name them, please just, shout out for yours. So InterOracle, Dead Project Sniper, The Real, VoxChain, GAs in Rust plus Near OpenAI. Wow, that's a long name, actually. That's a very... And Near and Block Elf, you're all getting 5K. So congratulations. We really thought that we had amazing... We really thought that your contributions were amazing, so thank you so much. Now let's move on to the ones that are the best on different classes. These ones are going to get 10K each one. So please, a big round of applause for all the winners. On Best of AI, we have AI Crawler, so congratulations, thousands. Best of Chain Abstraction was OmniBets. In Best Text, we have 2 different teams, Scavin and Near River. And finally, for Best DeFi, we have Smart Pool Near. I hope that any of you are here so we can celebrate with you. So another round of applause, please, for all of them. Now, the next one is the Hacker's Choice Award, which is all of the hackers had to decide themselves to who give a small tip of $10,000. And the winner is BetVex.
Yes.
Congratulations on the tip. I have never tipped that much, but like, hey, that's amazing. So, 1,000 congratulations. Now, we are getting into the big winners. For the chain agnostic track winner, which is going to be of 20K, we actually have 3 different teams. We have Orca getting $20,000, Super Near, and Swipe X. Can I get a round of applause for them, please? And now we are moving into the 2 final slides. First of all, let's talk about the finalists, which are 2 different projects, and they are getting 20K each one of them. Can I get a big round of applause for TrustyByte and On-Chain Agent AI? Woo! Now, these were among the best projects that we have seen, so we have some demos for them. Can we please run the first demo for TrustyByte?
Hello everyone, my name is Abdelaziz Hilal. I am the brand UI and UX designer for this project. These are my colleagues. Adi Ayoub, our front-end developer, and Nufil Brahim, our back-end developer. I want to share with you the story behind TrustyBytes. My family and I love trying new restaurants, but too often we'd end up feeling unwell afterward. We wanted a way to know if restaurants meet high standards for freshness and cleanliness before dining. That's where TrustyByte comes in. It's a platform that lets diners see real-time data on restaurant hygiene using blockchain and IoT technology to keep everything secure and transparent. Currently, diners rely on online reviews, which don't always tell the whole story about a restaurant's hygiene. TrustyByte changed that. We place IoT sensors in restaurants to track freshness indicators like temperatures and humidity. Using blockchain, we make this data secure and unchangeable, so diners can see a restaurant's freshness score in real time. It's like having a food safety dashboard right at your fingertips.
So let me show you how it works. Let's explore together the web application. So as a user, you can explore restaurants and their real-time freshness and hygiene data. For instance, the first restaurants, let's take the Veggie Heaven. Yeah. So we have a dashboard, displays live score, and we implemented our algorithm for food spoilage, which converts temperature, humidity, and air quality readings into a score from 0 to 10. This scoring system provides an easy-to-understand assessment of food freshness and safety, allowing users to make informed decisions based on real-time data, all stored into near blockchain. Plus, we made it easy to leave reviews and book tables without needing a blockchain wallet. TrustyByte uses account abstraction to make user experience seamless for everyone. So here, for example, we can leave a review, and our backend will use a relayer to create an account and submit a transaction and store the review into TrustyByte smart contracts already deployed into testnet, into near testnet. Building TrustyByte come with some tough challenges. We had to train AI for hygiene detection, optimize IoT sensors for food spoilage tracking, and integrate everything with Near's blockchain. But we are proud to say we created a working MVP with real-time sensor data and live app on near testnet. I will let my friend finish presenting what comes next for Trusty Bytes.
So, looking ahead, we plan to enhance our AI for more accurate cleanliness checks and onboarding restaurants to stars at taste phase. Our goal is for Trusty Bite to become a trusted guide for safer dining. Imagine being able to find restaurants that meet high hygiene standards with just one tap. Additionally, we are excited to introduce our AI chatbot that will allow users to make reservation in less than 3 seconds. Users will simply need to express what they are in the mood for, and we will take care of ensuring freshness and hygiene standards. Trusty Bites bring transparency to dining, letting people enjoy meals with peace of mind. With Trusty Bites, diners can trust that their food is safe, and restaurants can showcase their commitment to hygiene. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. It has AI, it has blockchain, it has food, everything I like, so that's why we give them the praise. Now, can we roll, please, the demo for On-Chain Agent AI?
On-Chain Agent AI is a user-owned AI platform where users can create, share, and own AI tools, agents enabling AI to interact with all on-chain data and effortlessly perform complex blockchain tasks with micro-function and micro-front-end. With our AI agent model, AI can access blockchain data, know how to write and call contract data. This is the showcase of staking with linear agent. This is read from the on-chain data. You also can restaking linear and all stake within an easy prompt. It is also possible to interact with the swap contract and get the price of the token, as well as make trades. Those are just a few small showcases. We have developed a vast multi-agent AI system that enables users and agent creators to build their own tools and agents. This is how we do that. Tools are like building blocks or libraries that you create. By developing AI tools, you're training the AI to understand and work with specific smart contracts on the blockchain. Each tool adds new abilities to the AI, allowing it to perform different tasks. Simply paste the smart contract address, select the chain, near, or EVM, and choose the method to train the AI. The AI will automatically detect the required parameters. If you have specific data to enter, type it in, otherwise leave it as default. Creating an AI agent is easy. Simply go to the Create AI Agent section and click Create Agent. You can select one or multiple tools we just created. For this agent, I will prompt it to call the contract every time a user says, "Get greeting." So let's have a test. The answer is hello, do not trust, verify near ABI. Check the answer in the contract. It matches perfectly. That's how we guide the AI on how to use the smart contract. Additional feature, create tool from off-chain data via API. You can now create tools using off-chain data through an API. Simply import the specification JSON to generate the tool and then create the agent. This feature combines the strengths of Web 2 and Web 3, enhancing your AI agent's functionality and versatility. Now let's create a widget for the dashboard. The process is similar to the agent, but with an additional prompt. You can generate a creative front end using an easy prompt, no coding required. Once created, you can import it into your dashboard. The widget will communicate with the agent through an API. That's how we call it micro front end. Personalize your platform experience by creating and sharing widgets that display real-time data, AI outputs, or any concept you envision. Share your profile, widgets, and agents with others, fostering a vibrant social environment where innovation flourishes. Thank you for watching.
Wow, honestly, how awesome was that? This is something that I'm very excited about, honestly, like seeing how many more people is now creating AI projects and making them, like integrate with Near and everything that can happen. Like, just imagine the future, right? Like where you're just creating the front end and interacting with Near, like amazing. But if you thought that that was all, no, because we still have 2 more winners. Now, we are about to announce the top finalists. the two projects that are gonna get $40,000 each of them. So get ready. And the two top finalists are Near Yield and it went up. They removed it. It was not me. Near Yield and Bet Vex. And now, can we please roll the demo for Near Yield?
Navigating yield opportunities across 110 blockchains can be an overwhelming task. The process is outdated and overcomplicated due to too many blockchains, too many DeFi protocols, wallets, and gas to manage, leaving users disoriented. Our solution is Near Yield, our AI portfolio optimizer that brings investment opportunities from any blockchain directly near you. In today's video, we will explore exactly how any user can save tens of hours of research and optimize their investment portfolio in DeFi in just a few clicks using Near Yield. First of all, let's explore how you can generate your own investment strategy. Head over to our platform and connect your Near wallet first of all. After which, you can select from our different types of agents. Right now we have yield farming ones, but we will be adding many more in the future. Then you can select from various categories such as AI, RWA, stablecoins, and many more. You can also select the risk level up to your liking and the capital committed in Near. Afterwards, you can also select the timeline for your investment. And the last thing to do is to generate your investment strategy and let our AI do all of the magic. Once our AI model has generated your investment strategy, you'll be able to check out various details such as your risk level, the chains you're investing into, protocols, what your investment amount is, and your annual projections. You will also be able to edit some of the platforms that you're investing into and remove some of them if you don't like to attach yourself to them. The only thing left to do right now is to click on Invest Now, connect your wallet, approve the transaction, and Near Yield and Near's chain abstraction will take care of the rest of the work for you. If you head over to the Destination Blockchain Explorers, you'll be able to take a look at the transactions and see exactly how your funds got distributed and how the magic happened. That's not all though, we've also managed to craft a portfolio manager for our users. When they access it, they can check the different strategy they have on their investments, balance, how many 24-hour fees they got, P&L, protocols, chains, and they can also decide to add more funds if they want in their strategy or claim their tokens. They can also take a look at the ongoing platforms they are invested into and their risk assessment level, so they can always be safe on Near Yield. And finally, let's take a look at our investment strategy watch list, a feature that will allow you to not have to invest into a certain strategy right away, but rather save it for later. All you have to do is generate an investment strategy and click on the watch list button, after which you will go on the watch list page and you can always track the strategy, how it's performing, and you can invest into it whenever you would like. Near Yield is only getting started though, and with your support at the Redacted Hackathon, we are highly confident that we can turn Near into the main blockchain and hotspot for AI-optimized asset management. Thank you.
Amazing. AI is going to enable so many things in DeFi, and I'm very happy that we get to see it in Near. Now, can we roll the demo for BetVex, please?
Welcome to BetVex, community-powered esports betting. Let's get into it. So we're going to go ahead and log in with Vex. You can log in with a Near wallet, but we're trying to provide a smoother onboarding experience where you can use things like meta transactions and not handle a seed phrase. So you don't even have to hold Near tokens. You just will pay for your gas and you just hold USDC or Vex. And we're going to swap some USDC for Vex. We got some upon account creation. And once we've got that Vex in-app, we're swapping it. You don't need to use Ref Finance. We'll go ahead and stake it. And once we've staked, that means we can earn rewards from the betting contract. So we're going to go ahead and make a bet on a match. So here we're filtering by Counter-Strike, a game, and we'll go ahead and bet on this match. And we're going to make a bet of $20, okay? And the odds are something insane, 6.8 7-3. So we're going to get some good rewards out of that if we win. And once we've placed the bet, we're going to actually manually, in a centralized way, end the betting. The idea is that in the future, this will be done through an oracle or through some other verifiable way, such as a zero knowledge proof. But for the meanwhile, it's centralized. So once we finish the match, we can go ahead and claim that bet. And you can actually see in here, we have a faucet if you want to get more testnet tokens. So let's go ahead and claim that, and you'll see we get $130. Let's go. So once that's happened, we'll distribute the rewards from the staking system because we preloaded that matchup with a load of bets on the other team. So it resulted in profit. And we got a whole load of Vex more because we staked. And we'll withdraw that. So we earned through betting and through staking, which is pretty cool. You can still earn if you lose, or you can earn more if you win. And so, yeah, we're trying to build like a super crypto betting consumer app here, all focused on esports. Esports fans are more likely to adapt to new technology than like any other industry. And we're trying to get the fans really involved by introducing other ways to earn, like staking, and they're going to be able to decide on the development of the protocol through DAO governance in the future. Okay, hope you liked it.
I mean, that is awesome. All right, so those are all of our winners, and we just want to give a huge shout out to a couple people, right? So yes, there was almost 1,700 devs. There was a whole lot of people who helped make this happen that just deserve a lot of like huge shout outs and stuff. We've got the Dev Hub crew that really came through with a lot of that, helping with, yes, AMAs, doing workshops. I mean, so many people from Dev Hub, huge shout out. Maria and Noma, they helped organize this whole thing, and they did city nodes. I mean, we're talking massive organization here. And then we've got our sponsors. I want to, man, thank you sponsors. They were so engaged with bounties and being like, hey, we want to be in workshops. We want to talk. They were on the ground in Discords, on Telegram chats. They were like, it was wild. And I can't thank the sponsors without thanking Rob and Bianca. You two, wow, talk about being in the thick of it with us. You could have a mic up here and just as much as all of us. Like it was really, it was like a really team, and a lot of other people in marketing and a whole bunch of other people. So thank you, everyone. Congratulations to all of the projects that won, and thank you to everybody else who participated. Stick around, a lot more happening over the next 6 to 12 months, and we're going to be, amplifying it all for all of you. So thank you all so much, and have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much. And congratulations again to the winners, please.